Today, what we're going to be doing on the 044 rebuild is I'm going to be removing the ignition coil and the handle assembly and getting ready to split the crankcase. I've already taken this into my mate's place. He has a biggish toolkit and some more advanced tools that I have, pulled the flywheel and the clutch. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, that was pretty painless. I had no idea what I was doing, so I had basic idea of what I was doing, but yeah. So you do the couple of Torx heads on the AV mounts, and then remove the coil, or at least unplug the cords from the coil, and you just had to pull them through this slot one at a time. Make sure you do the one with the just normal like slide on bit first and then the one with the eyelet second, otherwise they don't fit. So now I'm just gonna pull these AV mounts off, remove the handle, and we should be almost ready to split the crankcase. Pushed that one on the rim and it went through. Looking at these, it looks like they're actually made to, at least this one, is made to actually screw down in there. Handy. I need a couple more snap-lock bags, but should be okay. That's the AV mounts. Yep, I need more plastic bags. More Ziploc bags.